Welcome back, traders. By the way, welcome back. And if you are new to this our channel, please do not forget to leave a comment below. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like, and do not forget to share this my video. On this our channel, we analyze our forex market and our stock market. If you are interested in our analysis, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now let's quickly do a quick analysis on our pound currency pair. Any currency pair, any pound relating pairs. So first one we have here is our pound index, like we predicted last about, if those of you that watched my previous video, last week video, that I said that we would be having a little bit of push up on our pound, then we would see that fall, and we've gotten that fall. Where do we think our pound will still be moving this week? Definitely we are still we are still on our continuous fall on our pound. We are still on a continuous fall, but I think probably before you actually see that continuous fall, we will actually see that a little bit of push up, then a continuous fall on our pound. Definitely we are still on a fall on our pound this week. We will still be going down on our pound, but we can equally see a retracement before we actually now see that fall on our pound. So I am still going short and still going short on our pound. We are even waiting for our pound to actually break below this our liquidity area and continue going down. But before that, let's try and go short on our pound, at least around this area here. Around this place area here, exactly what we should be aiming for on our pound, shorting on our pound. That is exactly where we are going for our pound. On our 4-hour time frame, so it's still showing us a short sell move down on our pound. Now our first currency pair we should be looking at is our euro pound. Like I said, our euro will actually be pushing up, which our euro actually push up, but I said that our euro should actually come out to take this liquidity area here, but unfortunately it does not. It actually gave us, and by that time when it was pushing up, I got the buy signal and buy setup, and I took my buy immediately, because I know it's not a must our price actually come out to take out the area. But actually I saw that multiple break of structure upward on my 30-minute time frame. I knew that we are actually going up on our pound, our euro pound. That is why I actually took that sell on our euro pound. So definitely, where do you think we are still going this week? We are still going pushing up on our euro pound. Let's actually still come push up to this our euro pound, to this my area here, where price has given us a support here. I think a retracement area here, like a support, a resistance here, Definitely, let's continue to push up to do us that resistance before we actually now see that drop on our pound, on our euro pound. So definitely we are still going up on our euro while our pound is still falling. Same with our pound. One thing I also wanted to know that our euro all is actually still falling. Our oil is actually falling, and since our pound is actually falling, so the one that is falling the most we don't know, but I know that our oil is actually falling the most. So definitely we should actually see like a retracement around this area here, whereby our pound will actually push down, then it will actually push up, giving us like a move that we can't easily predict, a move that we can't easily predict whether it's pushing up or down. But I know that our advice is stay out of this trade, and if you want to take this trade, then actually you should be seeing something like a ranging move on our pound odd. But let's see how our price will play out for this week, and we will to take it. Now our next pair we have is our pound New Zealand. Same thing, we are waiting for a drop on our pound New Zealand. We've gotten this our resistance. We've gotten this our resistance, and we're actually now waiting for a drop on our pound New Zealand. You can see it here. We're actually waiting for a drop on our pound New Zealand on our 4-hour time frame. Same thing with our 1-hour time frame. We are waiting for a drop on our pound New Zealand. Exactly what we should be aiming for. Sell on our pound New Zealand. Our next pair we have is our pound CAD. Definitely, one thing I wanted to know that our CAD is very soon it will actually start pushing up. So that is why I said we should be able, since we are aiming for, we are seeing a fall on our pound. Definitely we should be seeing a fall on our pound CAD. But I think before that, we should actually see that something like a push up. Like, let me go to our 4-hour time frame. We actually see something like a mini push up, hit our resistance area here as it has always done, hit our support area here. So yeah, because we would want to be trading what we see and not what we think, by the way. That is why I said let's aim up, go buy, and definitely we actually not see that fall. See, probably our price breaks below this our support area or breaks above our resistance area, we should actually be taking a ranging move on our 4 hour time frame. So what we should be aiming for, we should actually take a buy up, then when it gets our resistance, we should actually now be taking a sell on our pound card for this week. Lastly, our pound Swiss franc. I'm seeing that our Swiss franc is actually falling. Let's see if our price will break below our this my support here. If it breaks below, I don't mind continue going down on my pound Swiss franc, and if it does not, then we can actually now see that reversal move to the push up. But let's see how our price will actually act, or let's see our price will play out for this week, then we would know either to go up or we should go down on our pound Swiss franc. That is our analysis for this week. So if you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.